Hello everyone! In this video, I will guide you on how to install hardware connectors and fittings for your products in Bazis. We have 3 methods to do this. The first method is manual installation. Click on the hardware command, select the fitting you need, for example, a door handle, and click OK. Next, select the mounting surface. Here, you can adjust the rotation angle, let's set it to 0 degrees, and then click on the exact position to place it. That is how we install hardware manually. The second method is automatic batch installation. Select the components where you want to add fasteners, or press Ctrl-A to select everything. Then click on Auto Joint. Let's switch to wireframe mode to see things more clearly. The software will display identical joints. You can cycle through the target locations by clicking Next Joint. To choose the fastener, click on the Mapping section, select the corresponding hardware map, and click Install. If you need to flip the camlock drilling face, simply middle-click on the joint location. This will reverse the drilling direction to the opposite side. Once adjusted, click Install. The third method is using predefined fastener maps. Click on the Hardware menu and select Fastener Map. For example, I will install a straight hinge, then click OK. Now, simply select the 2 matching surfaces or components, and the software will automatically mount the hinge based on our pre-saved settings. Those are the 3 ways to install hardware and fasteners in Bazis. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.